sure, right?
Yep.
How many cans you got at the...
3 cans.
Huh?
3 cans.
3 over there?
No, 3.
3 here, 2 over there.
Alright, well yeah, fill them up and then make a nice pie.
as you guys can see, there's some serious work they've done so far. There's the subflooring right there. Here's the remaining old floor. You can see where the area rug used to be by that fresh wood imprint. And there's some pretty serious worn floor here, as you can see, my foot. And it'll take care of that leak I told you about eventually. But yeah, as you can see, a lot of progress so far. This is all just the first day of them being here. So, as you can see, they moved all the new wood there. As you saw, the tar paper getting put down, so they have this area all cleared now to get all this old wood off, the vent openings and everything. You can see the moldings off. You can see the unpainted drywall behind it. So yeah, so far they're making lots of progress, and I mean, I'll have to go to work at some point, but afterwards, when I get back, I'm sure a lot of it will be done. I don't know if the new floor will be in yet, but they definitely so far have made a lot of progress. You can see the subflooring doesn't look too bad. Where the leak was, though, you can see some water marking, but it's all nice and firm, so it should be okay. They'll look into that definitely. But as you can see, everything here is nice. I mean, well, sort of nice. It's pretty dusty and messy, but as you can see, they got a lot off. Here's that last section that they cut once again, and where the area rug was. We also took measurements beforehand, so you know exactly where to put the rug back down when all the new flooring is in. But yeah, and we opened the shades too, so no dust gets on it. We left a picture on the wall. So yeah, I guess not much else to say for the time being. They'll do some more work on this, get this remaining old floor out, and then we will see where it goes from there. All right, see ya. All right, guys, figured I'd just fit in one more video here for you. They've finished what they had to do for today. You can see the entire old floor is out now. Subflooring is still in very good condition. I think the last time this was exposed was when my parents first came to this house back in '89, I think it was. So you can tell it's been a long time. We just have, here's once again all the new wood and everything to be started tomorrow. You can see the drywall is, where the molding was, is in very good condition. Sometimes if you get water damage, it usually hides behind there, but you can see it's all good. We put the litter boxes back temporarily for Lady. And we also put the vents back in so she doesn't trip on the vent openings or something for the time being. And there's all the stuff for the room on the floor under the piano and the piano itself. And where the leak was, you can see there's no water damage to the subflooring, so that's all good. That's just staining there. It's all nice and firm. If you want, I'll go ahead and knock on it. See that? Very firm. And that's basically it. This room feels pretty weird right now, if you want to say. But it'll be in better shape tomorrow when they start installing everything. And I guess that's it for this part, okay? So next part will be of some of the installation. I will try to catch what I can. All right, so see you then.